Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 5th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here at the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So the Kiwi dollar is still pushing up, and if you've been following along with my videos, hopefully you've been having some really nice longs. I do totally agree with anybody that thinks that this could possibly turn into an A, a B, and then go down for a wave C. It definitely is possible, but I also think it's even more possible that it's a wave one, wave two, and we're currently in a wave three of a big, big uptrend, especially because of the very high time frames all being up. So unless I get an engulfing move to the downside, a breaker starts into the downside, or something telling me on these daily time frame to start looking for shorts, I am definitely still only looking for longs in a uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, there's been some really nice long opportunities. One, two, three waves down, go long. One, two, three waves down, go long. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now. And it does have a little bit of a five wave look to it, so we could possibly get a bigger pullback. But we don't need to make a bigger pullback. Like I said, if this is a wave three, we're probably just going to get little three wave ABC pullbacks, and it will probably just continue to make higher highs, higher lows. So for me personally, I'm only looking for longs. I'm waiting patiently for more pullbacks to go long for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.